Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods, and I have one more beautiful bed here. And there are few things special about this bed I like to tell you in this video. First, this bed is going for an ashram, for a Guruji and the devotees. They have very special feeling and they wanted to give something really beautiful, and all they had was an idea in mind. And they told us that they want something in the shape of a lotus and something like this, something like a swan in the front. Everything was in mind. Then we started sketching it on paper. We made several drawings, different drawings, a small drawing, bigger drawing for the front, and then we confirmed with the client. After 3-4 drawings, finally we came to a conclusion that this is the design we are making. Now the major part was it has to be confirmed from several different people, and you very well know. And there are so many people involved. Everybody has got suggestions. They tell do this and do like this. So, for example, we have this lotus in the front, as you can see, and we made it a little bigger earlier, and the swan was a little smaller. But someone suggested we wanted it bigger, so we had to do the entire drawing again. Made this like this design, the open feathers kind, you can see. Then what happened is we made it standard height. It's right now till this point about 24 inches, but earlier it was a little higher. Then there came a point that this should be flat and the mattress should be a little above the design. So then we did that part, made the drawing again. The whole point is they had a feeling, a spiritual feeling, that they wanted to give something really amazing to their Guruji. And we have to get the same feeling in reality right here. After the designing part, the carving part, the color part was also difficult. We had to make several samples about the white, about the shading part, the top part. Sometimes we had done a little part. After 3-4 samples, the final unit, final design, final color got confirmed, and we completed just like as you are seeing it. The final pictures are just sent to the client. They are very happy. They are already in ashram, and everybody is waiting for the bed to be dispatched. So in a few hours we'll pack it and dispatch it. With this bed we have got 2 side tables. The basic concept was lotus, as you can see at the back. In the side table also we have the lotus design. On the front part also, the lower part, there is lotus petals and a swan in the middle. Even on the side, as you can see, we have the same lotus design. High gloss white paint with baby pink shading, as you can see in the entire unit. Back is a little higher than 6 feet. The front top part is 24 inches. It is 6 feet left to right and 7 feet. 7 feet like this. The standard size is 6.5 feet. This is 7 feet as the client wanted. The basic point I am trying to convey here is that what you want, we make that. We try really hard, we try what you want, and then finally we come to a conclusion after the discussion, and we can make these beautiful things for you. A number of architects, interior designers, generally they have very beautiful ideas, and these days with the AI, artificial intelligence, there are so many designs that are coming out. You go to an AI app, you give some prompt, and you get a beautiful design out. A few days back, we created an AI design, very heavy, very big bed that was completely made from AI to reality. I've shown that video earlier to you. The unit is made in teak wood, back, front, sides. The middle part, it has no storage, it's without storage. The top part here, this is plywood, and the side tables in teak wood again. White paint, high gloss paint with shading as the client wanted. And as you can see on the beak, the red beak. So it's minor points, but we have covered it all. Arson makes choice wala furniture. We are always saying that. And the choice part, you can see it. Even if you draw something on a paper, we try and make that as according to your choice. Be it the temples, be it the dining tables, the beds, sofas, or any other furniture like jhula. So select what you like, design what you like. Let us know what you want. We'll try and make that at factory prices and deliver to your home in India or out of India. We have already delivered to more than 55 countries already. If you go to our website arsonwoods.com, there's a section of testimonials, and you will see thousands of pictures there, thousands and thousands of pictures there, all from different places, from the clients' homes, clients' places. When they finally received the stuff, they placed it, they took the picture, sent it back to us. We are proudly displaying these pictures on our website. This is what we have earned in all those years, and this is what we can do for you as well. So let us know. The number is right here. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement, make something really beautiful, a dream furniture kind of thing, and deliver to your home at factory prices. Thank you. Dhanyavad.